Good afternoon from Aero Country in McKinney, Texas. We have a 1946 Aeronca Champ with a lot of upgrades to the aircraft itself. Relatively low time, around 2,000 hours on the airframe and about 300, a little less than 300 on the engine. It has the auxiliary fuel tank up in the left wing to add additional capabilities to it. The glass, as you can see, is in great condition. It also has a electric starter and battery system. So with that, if you look inside the cockpit, basically we've got a UHF radio, an iFly GPS. We have a SkyTech starter, and a number of other modifications to the airplane that and of course you have the 85 horsepower upgrade to the engine as well. The glass is in great shape, the seats are in great shape. It has the modification to add shoulder straps, shoulder restraints for the front and rear seat. And you can see that the floor is in great shape. Interior is in great condition. Fabric, I believe, was done in 2013. I'll have to go back and look. You can see it's in good condition as well. And we'll walk around and give you an idea. Obviously this is the right wingtip, and you can see the windshield is in great condition, and a nice new prop that came with the engine upgrade. And again, you can see now the additional fuel tank modification that was made to the airplane as well. Again, the fabric is in great condition and looks good for an airplane of this vintage. And an excellent tail dragger with self-start capability, which you don't see on a lot of these things, and a higher performance engine. If you got any questions, this is Bill Campbell. My number is 972-896-5194. Please give me a call, and airplane is available for sale. Thank you.